Okay, children, so today we have to start question number 6 of exercise 11.1. So, I'm reading the question. A wire is in the shape of a rectangle. So, there is a wire which is in the shape of a rectangle. Its length is given 40 centimeter and breadth is 22 centimeter. Length and breadth are given. If the same wire is rebent, okay, it's rebent means its shape is changed and it takes the shape of a square. If it takes the shape of the square, then what will be the measurement of each side? We have to find the measurement of each side, okay, and also find the shape which shape encloses more area, means which area is greater. For that we need to know the size. Okay, now how to know the size? Come back to the rectangle. Here what is known? The length and the breadth is known. That means the total length, the perimeter is known. Now this perimeter will be equal to the perimeter of the square. Why? Because same wire is being used. Okay. So the total length will be the same of the perimeter and the square. The total length of the boundary will be the same. So the perimeter will be same. So from the perimeter we will find the sides and then we find the two areas and we compare the two areas. So first and foremost, what is given? The length and breadth of the rectangle is given. So we are going to write that and find the perimeter and then we go ahead. So here length of the rectangle we will write length of the rectangle and breadth of the rectangle. Length of the rectangle is 40 cm, breadth of the rectangle is 22 centimeters. Yes, centimeters. So we find the perimeter. Perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus breadth, which is equal to 2 into 40 centimeter plus 22 centimeter, which is equal to 2 into 62 centimeter, which is equal to 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, 124 centimeter, which is equal to the perimeter of the square. So we will write perimeter of square is equal to perimeter of rectangle. That means 4 into sides is equal to 124 centimeters. Now from here we will get the value of sides. This 4 comes to the RHS. It's in multiplication, it becomes division. So 4 gets cancelled. 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4. So each side is 31 centimeters. Now what we have to do, children? We have to find the area of the square and the rectangle both. So we find the area of the square and the rectangle both. So first we find the area of the rectangle. Area of rectangle, which is equal to length into breadth. Length into breadth means 40 into 22 centimeter and centimeter. 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8 and 0 centimeters square. Now we find the area of the rectangle. Square. Rectangle we found. Now this is the area of square, which is equal to side into side. Side into side, that means 31 centimeters into 31 centimeters. So here we compare the two areas and we find that the area of the square is larger than the area of the rectangle. So what is the last statement that we are going to write? Also find which shape encloses more area. So we'll write square shape encloses more area. So this completes question number 6. Now we start question number 7. Let's read question number 7. The perimeter of a rectangle is 130 centimeters. So the perimeter of the rectangle is given. If the breadth of the rectangle is 30 centimeters, we have to find its length and also we have to find its area. So first thing, what is given, we are going to write the breadth is given and the perimeter is given. We are going to write that. And from the formula of perimeter, we will get the value of length and then we find the area of the rectangle. Length is missing, no? Yes. So we'll write breadth of the rectangle and perimeter of the rectangle. Now what is the breadth of the rectangle? 30 centimeter and 130 centimeter. 30 centimeter, 130 centimeter. That means 2 into length plus breadth is equal to 130 centimeters. Now we put the value of length. No, we put the value of breadth because breadth is given and then we find the length. So 2 into L plus 30 is equal to 130 centimeter. Now this 2 multiplies inside, so it gets multiplied with L and it gets multiplied with 30. This becomes 130. This becomes 12, 60, 130. 60 shifts this side, 12. This is plus, it becomes minus. This is 70. 2 shifts this side, which gives us half of 70. This is 35 centimeters. Now we know the breadth, we know the length, we will find the area. area of rectangle, that is length into breadth, 35 into 30. So 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9, plus 1 10, and this 0. So this is the area, centimeters square. So this completes the 7th one. Now we start the 8th question. A door of length 2 meter and breadth 1 meter is fitted on a wall. So there is a wall. This diagram. I'm going to make we will make a rough diagram. This is the wall, and there is a door on this wall whose dimensions are given. Length is 2 meters and breadth is 1 meter. 1 meter. The length of the wall is also given, 4.5 meters, and the breadth of the wall 3.6 meters. Okay. Now we have to find the cost of whitewashing the wall. That means painting the wall. If the rate of whitewashing is given rupees 20 per meter square. So where do we whitewash? We whitewash in the area. That means we have to find out the area of the wall. Okay. And then we will multiply it with the cost. Also, we don't whitewash on the door. Do we whitewash the door? No. That means we'll have to remove this area of the door. Right? So we will find the area of the door also, and then we are going to minus the area of the door from the area of the wall. Okay. So what all is given, that we are going to write. What is given? Length of the wall, length of the door, breadth of the door, area of the door we will find out. Then length of the wall, breadth of the wall, we will find the area of the wall. Then the area which will be whitewashed. That means area of wall minus area of door. And then cost of whitewashing. So let's start. So the first thing will be the length of the door. So let's start. How much? 2 meters. Then area of door. That is, it's in the form of rectangle. So its length into breadth, that is 2 meter into 1 meter, which is equal to 2 meter square. Now we'll write the length and breadth of the wall. Length of the wall, breadth of the wall. How much is the length? 4.5 meters, and this is 3.6 meters. Then we find the area of the wall. Length into breadth, which is equal to 4.5 meters into 3.6 meters. Let's multiply. 30, 6 4s are 24, 25, 26, 27. 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12, 13. So 0, 12, 6, 1. So it is 16.20 meter square. Now we will find the area of the wall which is to be whitewashed.